This is an unboxing of two GEOPTIK refractor telescope bags. These are for 6-inch telescopes. Let's open it and see. So we have bought them from the Rother Valley Optics, UK's #1 astronomy center. And this is the card for them, and that's the invoice. So how much we have for them? £132 for 23 for two refractor telescope. The telescopes, both of them together, didn't cost more than 150. As you see, the bags are almost the same price as the telescope itself. They're 6-inch refractors, achromatic. They're very good, very heavy. With it came with a EQ6 mount, which is really good. And so I have everything except something to put them in. To when I'm not using it, I just put it aside. So because they are huge telescopes. So I'm going now to unbox this lovely package. Okay, let's open. Oh, with the typical red color of the GEOPTIK bags. GEOPTIK is a brand that sells these telescopes. It sells telescope and optical things and bags, especially in Italy. Outside is kind of polyester metallic color, red, and inside, let's see what is inside. Inside is velvet. Oh, I'm really impressed. And the material is thick, more than 1 centimeter thick, around 1 inch. What is impressive is that the inside is made of velvet. Oh, you pay what you get. That's lovely. Okay, this is one bag. It's made in Italy, of course. You can see GEOPTIKs made in Italy. Now let's go for the second bag. Just separated for this. This is spacer, so I have to use both hands to open this. Oh, that's the most impressive packaging I've ever seen. There is a second package inside. So that one is the bigger one, and this one is the smaller one. I have a short tube 6-inch refractor telescope and a long tube one. So let's open this one. Okay, I have removed now those straps, and I'm trying to open this lid. Okay, now I can move this. Really impressive packaging. Everything triple package. Oh, that's the other one. I wonder, was it that one the bigger one, or was this one? I think this one is the bigger one. Yeah, this is the bigger one. And again, outside from a polyester, inside velvet to protect your investment. It's quite impressive.